All right, hey there. Thanks for purchasing this youth baseball or really any sport poster. That's completely edible and easy to do in Canvas. First, I'll start with the text and some of the colors. That's the easiest. All this text is editable. You can resize it. You can change the font, change the color, change the font size. All this again, it's very editable, super easy to do, and it goes right back behind the players. The bottom text says game day. It's got a blue overlay right there. If you tap effects, that has that red background on it. So let's say you wanted it to be green. There he goes. Now it's blue and green. Let's make this whole thing blue and green. It's this top rectangle here. I'll move the player out of the way just a little bit to select this rectangle. Right there. Oh. So now you have the red selected. Let's make this one green. Move our player back. I'll show you how to crop the player momentarily. And the same thing for this background shape. So you have these two overlays here, just the black dots that are over top of that. If you want to change the color of those, you can select those as well. So you want to make those red. You can do that as well. The transparency is not very high, so there we go. So now you see it's red. Let's make them green. Don't need the rest of them. All right. And again, some layers. This one's got this layer maybe behind it, so it's very easy to move our layers around. Just go up top and hit position. Find that layer and drag it above. Wherever you want to be dragged above. And now you see it's on top here. The seams of baseball. Looks real nice. Let's select the Johnson text over here. Let's make that green. There we go. So super easy way to get these colors changed out. As far as the player photos, so let's work on this main profile picture first. If you don't have Photoshop or access to a picture of your child with a transparent background, these are just some random photos I found on the internet. Simply add it over here. The background. Easy way to get rid of the background is hit Edit Image. Open up your Magic Studio area and go down to Background Remover. And there you go. It cuts it out super quickly. And all I do, I just keep resizing it to be the size I want. And then grab these bars to whatever size you want to crop them to either outside of the rectangle or with the rectangle like it as well. Same thing for these two side photos over here. Again, these are just kind of random photos I found from this kid. Edit image, background remover, and put them right there. Resize it. Again, he's behind the text, so simple fix, position, drag it above the text, and there you go. And then same thing if you want to add one more photo, edit background, background remover. Now you have 3 photos, the transparent background that you just added, in a matter of a couple minutes. So super easy way to edit. Hope you enjoy, and good luck with the poster.